Welcome back, guys. So right now this is the WordPress dashboard, and with this you could see what the website currently looks like. So let me just preview my website, and you see the button right here, the button to preview my website. This is right here. So I'm going to preview my website. So let me preview that, and we're going to see what the website currently looks like. So right now this is the preview, and this is what the website currently looks like, but we're going to clean all these up just to make it look good. So we're going to clean it all up. So I'm going to close this, then come back to my WordPress dashboard so I can show you the dashboard. So right now from the dashboard, we have everything we need right now. So all we have to do now is to show you what the dashboard actually means. So starting from here, we have the onboarding. This is related to Hostinger. It doesn't come with WordPress in general. So these are Hostingers, like these are Hostinger plugins. So we're going to just leave all that. AI content creator, the tools, the onboarding. Then we have the dashboard. The dashboard is where we're going to be. So I'll just show you what the dashboard is all about. So the dashboard is where you're going to see everything about your website, the home, the everything. So here in your dashboard, you have a basic dashboard settings where you're going to see your site health status, and you could choose to just close all that. And actually you could choose to not have them, then you could choose to just close all that if you don't need it. So that's the dashboard basically. And the next thing you're going to see is your post. So we have post right now. So post, we are still going to talk about post. Post is where you're going to create different blog posts for your website. So that's post for you. And we have media. This is where your videos, your pictures, your documents goes into. So that's media for you on the dashboard. And we have pages. So pages are your web pages. Like we could have home, we could have about us, we could have services, we could have events, we could have blogs. They are all pages. So that's where we create different web pages. And we have comments. So this is comments from your blog post. Any comments that comes to your website from your blog post, you get to see them in the comments. Then we have the theme settings. All you see right here, from here, this is Astra and the likes. So this is your theme settings. The theme we're using is Astra currently, and that is Astra for you. And we have appearance here. Yes, we have appearance there. We have plugins. So appearance, Astra, they are all themes customization. So you can use it to customize your theme. And we have plugins. Plugins add more functions to your website. So we're going to still talk about the concept of plugins and how to use plugins on your website. So plugins add more functions to your website. So if you think of any function to be added to your website, what you're going to have to install is plugins. You have to install plugins to add more functions to your website. And these are users where you get to assign rules for your users. You can assign the subscriber rules, you can assign the editor rule and the likes. So there are different rules you can assign in the user session. Then we have tools. Then tools, you have your exports, you have your import. So we're still going to talk about all this. Then we have the settings. So you can use the settings to set whatever you want to set on WordPress. So all these are the dashboard, and you could easily navigate from one dashboard to another. For instance, if you want to navigate to the post dashboard, which is one of the things we have to delete some posts, some default posts. So we're going to just come here. This is the post dashboard. All we have to do is to click on the post menu on the side panel. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to click on posts. I'm going to click on post right now, and it brings me to post, and I'm going to say all posts. So I'm going to be able to see all posts right now, and here is all posts. I could go ahead to say I want to delete, and all I have to do is just to check this, and having to check that, I'm going to just delete. I'm going to apply the bulk action. So this is where I clicked on this to mark it. Then I will click on the bulk action. After clicking on the bulk action, then I'll apply the bulk action to it. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to click on bulk action right away, and bulk action, I will say I want to move to trash. Yes, then I'm going to apply it using this button to apply. This is apply right here. So I'm going to use the button to apply the move to trash. Then it gets to delete the post right away. So right now we just deleted that, and no post is found here. So you could go ahead to preview your website and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to click on this right here, and I'm going to use visit website to visit my website. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to visit my website, and so far you see that the post has been deleted and the website is currently blank, which is what we want. So we can go ahead to the next lesson where we're going to talk about other parts of the WordPress website and dashboard. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.